What's up people, greeting to Silicon Valley young lady. Today we are going to discuss top business thoughts from 2020, and after that I am going to be those conspicuous thoughts that you can consider yourself like beginning a cafe or a vehicle wash. We are going to talk about thoughts dependent on ongoing patterns, ongoing developing business sectors, and in case you are intrigued, keep watching this video. Gracious by the a significant job in the event that you choose to go into business, your inspiration should not be on the grounds that Marina said it is going to be an incredible business. Your inspiration should be, wow, I love this market, I have been on it for some time, or possibly you have considered it for some time, and after that Marina specifies something that is becoming, possibly this is the ideal time, possibly this is the trigger for me to go. Also begin something there so consistently tune into your heart, such a huge number. In any case, that is the solitary thing they are going to take you through all the issues that you can experience when beginning a business, and this will make you effective. Alright, we should do it fast. Business thought is beginning a cooperating space, and I know whether you live in a major city like San Francisco, Los Angeles, there are a lot of collaborating spaces. In any case, I likewise find that when I more modest urban communities, I battle to discover the correct work environment out of Starbucks. Yes, a beautiful basic work environment from like many individuals bring their pieces. However, I simply don't care for this barista espresso machine. Should it diverts you from thing you do? I don't care for individual strolling around constantly. In some cases, maybe come in and being crying. There are just countless variables that just occupy you, and I would not see any problem with playing what I paid to Starbucks and like espresso pattern 74,000 inquiries every month. There is sold in expensive food. Please let me know.